Welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. How many times you go to the club, you come back, hangover, you don't know what to do, you are starving. If you don't want the usual kebab, that is Italian way to deal with hangovers. We have got an amazing Aglio Olio and Peperoncino, but Dino style. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Facciamo. First step of the recipe, guys, we're gonna grab some chilies. Slice the chili in half, and we wanna take off all the seeds from the inside. Removing the seeds will prevent the sauce to be very hot. So we're just gonna get the flavor of the chili. Now it's time to confit garlic and chili together. Grab a pot, peel garlic, our deseeded chili. And cloves of olive oil. Medium-high heat. We need just to confit the chili and the garlic, so we need a temperature between 80 to 120 degrees Celsius. When the garlic and the chili looks like that, when the garlic and the chili look like that, roughly about 15 minutes, we're gonna turn off the heat completely. And just at this stage, I'll give you another little secret. We're gonna add some dry oregano and leave that to cool down roughly for about half an hour. In the meanwhile, we need our crunchy part of the dish. Some Panko breadcrumb, some more, another drizzle of olive oil, then get some garlic in camicia, means with the shirt, and chuck in the pan. And then just for the aroma, grab some basil stems. Si dice stems? Who stems? Who basil stems. Chuck into it. We want the pan on a medium heat. We don't want to burn the bread, we just want to get a nice deeply golden brown color. My friend, the smell is something else already, eh? When we reach this color, let's put in a container. At this stage, let's put the water to boil. Next, we're gonna make the base for our pasta. 1 fresh chili, 2 more garlic cloves. We're just gonna slice that very thin. Penso che mi sono toccato sotto l'occhio con la mano che è sporca di peperoncino. It's burning. Pan still cold, olive oil, chili and garlic, basil. Leave the stems as well, very low heat. We need to infuse everything that is in the pan at the moment. While all those beautiful ingredients are doing the job, and we literally just transferred our confit chili garlic oil in a, come cazzo si chiama? Blender cup. And let's blend. Let's add a few cubes of ice, one at a time. Ice will help emulsify the sauce. And that is what we want. A nice, beautiful chili garlic oil dressing that we're gonna use to finish up our pasta. The water is boiling. We're gonna cook our pasta. We're gonna use linguine in this case. It's the best shape of pasta for this dish. You can use whatever you want. Linguine is the best. Season the water with salt and straight away put the pasta in. We wanna cook the pasta no more than 5 minutes, and then we're gonna transfer everything into the pan. When the garlic gets this color, we can get a little bit of the actual paste that is at the bottom of the jar, and that will be a game changer, trust me. We're gonna mix it in like that. To control the temperature, we're gonna stop it with a little bit of pasta water. And that will be our base when we're gonna add our pasta in a second. After 5 minutes, we're gonna place our pasta pot on the side of the pan. And as you can see, the pasta is not cooked at all. It's still very hard. But we're gonna place into our base. From now, we're gonna go very high heat. And we're gonna keep adding pasta water. In Italian, this is risottare. It's like we are doing a risotto process, but with pasta instead. And trust me, you don't need any cream anymore if you do that. Also, in that way, whichever flavor we put into the base, we're gonna found into the pasta. And you see, we are creating chuch. Right, the pasta is fully cooked at the moment. Another secret is, in Italy, we like to relax.
This is what we do.
So let the pasta relax for a little bit. In the meanwhile, clean all the mess and your wife is happy. Just after a few minutes, nice and creamy, we're gonna finish off with just a little bit of lemon zest, a nice amount of fresh basil, don't worry.
Be happy.
A touch of that dressing, good amount of Parmigiano Reggiano, and we're gonna incorporate everything in together. Creamy. If you cannot hear this noise, something is wrong. Make the pasta again because it's not right. This is huge, baby. Just a touch more of the dressing. Don't throw that away. This is red gold. You can use that as a base for anything that requires garlic and chili. To finish off, a nice sprinkle of Panko breadcrumb, a bella frolla di basilico on top, another spruzzatina di parmigiano. It's time to taste. Mamma mia, the noise. How do you like to eat spaghetti? With the fork or with the spoon as well? Let me know in the comments. Mamma mia, that's very nice. Spicy, on the point. I think there is only one thing you need to do. Like, subscribe, and make sure you follow the next video. See you soon, guys. Have a lovely day.
Happy?
Uè, proprio piccante.